This weekend, SeaWorld San Antonio opened Catapult Falls, which it's calling the world's first launched flume coaster. Brisk little kick there out of the station on this new flume ride from Intamin, which combines elements of a water coaster with a flume ride. You see that little hill there going over us? We're going to get to that in just a moment. Now, SeaWorld in Texas here has put a kind of light summer camp theme onto this. You see the tents over there. Campers have stepped away for a moment. As we're kind of moving along on the flume ride here, we've got a good view of some of the other rides at the park here in San Antonio. Coming around the corner here, some more campgrounds, and we're going to get to the first element on this. Geysers, yeah, they'll splash you. They'll get wet. But the first element here is going to be a little bit of a launch, and then that's going to set us up to the first hill. Brisk little launch here. And there we go. Up and over the first hill for a little splash moment. A little bit of airtime there. Just a nice little element that you're more familiar with on roller coasters coming to a flume ride. But of course, water does get in the way, so we got to wait here for a moment for the ride pumps to kick in and send us along our way to the second major element that we've got on this, which is a vertical lift. This is an element I first saw in the old Pilgrim's Plunge at Holiday World and Splash and Safari in Indiana. You can also find it on Infinity Falls at the sister park SeaWorld in Orlando. This is going up 55 feet, setting us up for a 53-degree drop, another hill, and the final splashdown. Let's enjoy the finale. Catapult Falls is now open at SeaWorld San Antonio. See themeparkinsider.com for tickets.